Hey guys, we received this iPhone chargers. It's a six-pack lightning cable with the USB. So USB to lightning cable, and they are pack of six. So they are two 3 feet, two 6 feet, and one 10 feet. So different colors with the different sizes. So let me just open up one of this to test and show it to you. So the colors thing are really nice, so colorful, and then the quality wise looks nice because of the side. And let me just put it in my iPhone. That looks fits really well. And from the USB side, let me just put in the USB. So start charging instantly, and then charging started. So no issue with this cable. And then also the fits really well with the iPhone and the USB. So they are different sizes and all are same. And the colors are looks really great. So with the bending also and things, it can easily handle those bending and fast charging, and also like these three different sizes. So it's nice, fast charging, I would say, and long cables, and these are also certified.